Spring is here. Murphy and I are going to show you one of our favorite snacks. Chicken and wing sauce. Murphy and I have been enjoying this snack every day when I get home from work. All it is a cold chicken breast out of the refrigerator that I pre-made. And I mix it with some of this wing sauce that I got from Walmart. It's $2.12 a bottle and I really like it. 20 calories per tablespoon. Most of the calories are from fat. It's got almost no carbohydrates, no protein. So just a little hot sauce is all. Step one, cut off the Murphy piece because Murphy doesn't like hot sauce. And then I cut the chicken in half lengthwise and then into thin chunks. I want the chunks relatively thin so that there's more surface area to hold the hot sauce. I serve it cold. Like so. Scoop it into my bowl. Put the wing sauce on it. That's about 2 tablespoons, so we're looking at 40 calories of sauce. Like I said, mostly fat. And that is it. I eat it just like that. And while I do, my little buddy enjoys it with me. That was weak. Healthy food is cheaper than junk food. My mission is to prove it and get you eating healthy. My name is Mike, and this is the Vegetable Chopping Channel.